Get up. I usually get up at 7 a.m. Wake up. She woke up late and missed the bus. Turn on. Can you please turn on the lights? Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the TV when you're done. Eat out. Let's eat out tonight instead of cooking. Hang out. We like to hang out at the park on weekends. Call back. I will call you back as soon as I'm free. Pick up. Could you pick up some milk on your way home? Drop off. Can you drop me off at the mall on your way? Go out. We're planning to go out for dinner tonight. Come in. Please come in and have a seat. Get in. Hurry, get in the car. We're running late. Fill out. Please fill out this form with your details. Check in. You need to check in at the reception before entering. Check out. Let's check out that new restaurant downtown. Break down. My car broke down on the highway. Break up. They decided to break up after years of dating. Give up. Don't give up on your dreams, keep working hard. Look after. She looks after her younger brother while their parents are at work. Look for. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Put on. Don't forget to put on your coat. It's cold outside. Take off. You should take off your shoes before entering the house. Get on. Let's get on the bus and go to the museum. Get off. This is where you get off the subway. Call up. I will call up my friend and ask if she's available. Hang up. He abruptly hung up the phone during the conversation. Fill up. Can you fill up the water bottle for me? Clean up. We need to clean up the house before the guests arrive. Show up. She didn't show up for the meeting today. Run out of. We ran out of milk, so we can't make tea. Put away. After eating, please put away the dishes. Set up. We need to set up the tent before it gets dark. Give away. They give away free samples at the supermarket. Come over. Feel free to come over anytime you want. Go over. Let's go over the details one more time. Work out. I try to work out at the gym every morning. Break in. New shoes need some breaking in before they're comfortable. Get along. They get along really well with their neighbors. Dress up. Let's dress up nicely for the party tonight. Hang around. We like to hang around the coffee shop on weekends. Drop by. Feel free to drop by my house anytime. Settle down. They plan to settle down in the countryside after retirement. Run into. I unexpectedly ran into my old school friend at the mall. Look up. I need to look up the meaning of this word in the dictionary. Bring up. It's important to bring up important topics in a discussion. Take care of. She takes care of her plants very diligently. Put off. We had to put off the meeting until next week. Get over. It took her a long time to get over her breakup. Put up with. I can't put up with his constant complaining. Make up. They made up after their argument. Check up on. I need to check up on my sick friend and see how she's doing. Go through. Let's go through the presentation before the meeting. Call off. They had to call off the picnic due to bad weather. Show off. He loves to show off his new car to everyone. Hang on. Hang on for a moment. I will be right back. Look out. Look out for that car coming around the corner. Hand out. The teacher handed out worksheets to the students. Get by. Despite the challenges, they managed to get by. Turn up. She didn't turn up at the party last night. Give in. After much persuasion, she finally gave in. Drop in. Feel free to drop in anytime you're in the neighborhood. Come around. He finally came around to my way of thinking. Turn down. Unfortunately, they turned down my job application. Make up for. I need to make up for the time I lost due to illness. Look forward to. I look forward to seeing you at the event. Run away. The cat ran away when I opened the door. Take after. He takes after his father in terms of appearance. Stand up. Please stand up when the national anthem is playing. Sit down. Let's sit down and have a chat. Come up with. Can you come up with any ideas for the project? Hold on. Hold on for a moment. I will be right back. Pass out. She passed out during the long lecture. Fall asleep. I usually fall asleep within minutes of lying down. Pay off. All your hard work will eventually pay off. Come along. I hope you can come along to the party tomorrow. Look up to. I have always looked up to my older brother as a role model. Take up. I decided to take up painting as a hobby. Turn out. The event turned out to be a huge success. Break out. A fire broke out in the building last night. Set off. We will set off on our road trip early in the morning. Make out. It's difficult to make out the words in this dim light. Run over. I accidentally ran over a plastic bottle with my bike. Fill in. Please fill in your name and address on the form. Give out. The batteries gave out after a few hours of use. Go after. She wants to go after a career in music. Get through. We finally got through all the difficult subjects. Turn into. The caterpillar will eventually turn into a butterfly. Pass away. Sadly, my grandfather passed away last week. Come out. The sun came out after a rainy morning. Fall down. Be careful not to trip and fall down. Hand in. Don't forget to hand in your assignments on time. Account for. The company must account for all the expenses in their financial report. Ask after. When you meet him, ask after his health. Ask in. Please ask the guests in. It's getting cold outside. Answer back. The child should learn not to answer back to adults. Answer for. He had to answer for his actions in front of the committee. Add to. Adding more sugar will only add to the sweetness of the dessert. Act on upon. The government needs to act on the recommendations of the committee. Add up. I need to add up all the expenses to see if we're within budget. Allow for. When planning the event, we should allow for unexpected delays.